Good morning, dear students of class 2. Welcome to your English literature class. This is your ma'am S.T. Joshi and I'll be teaching you English literature. This is your book Reflections and today's lesson is The Ass and the Grasshopper. The writer is Aesop. And he was an ancient Greek writer and he wrote fables. And fables are stories that uses animals to teach valuable life lessons. So I hope children you will enjoy. Good morning my dear children. This is your ma'am S.T. Joshi and I am here to teach you English literature. Okay, and the first lesson is The Ass and the Grasshopper, and I want you to pronounce the way just I am pronouncing. Okay, जैसे मैं pronounce कर रही you have to pronounce in the same way. That is why I will read and then I will also explain it to you. What is the name of the lesson? The Ass and the Grasshopper. Okay, and it is a fable by Aesop. Now let us read. It was a hot day. An ass was grazing in a field. How was the day? The day was very hot. Okay, very warm. It must have been very sunny. Okay, an ass was grazing in the field. What do you mean by grazing? Eating grass. Eating grass. And what is an ass? It's a donkey. Okay, a donkey is known as an ass. Okay, and it was a hot day and there was an ass and it was grazing in the field, means it was eating grass in the field. He heard a grasshopper. Okay, and this is an insect. A grasshopper is an insect and it hops here and there singing. What did the ass hear? He heard a grasshopper singing. The song made the ass sad as he could not sing well. Children, when you hear somebody singing, do you like or do you feel sad? I'm sure you like to hear somebody singing. But why was this ass not happy when he heard the grasshopper singing? उसको क्यों नहीं अच्छा लग रहा था? Because he could not sing like the grasshopper. He was sad because he himself could not sing like the grasshopper. Now let us see what happened further. The ass wanted to have a sweet voice such as the grasshopper had. What did the ass wanted to have? He wanted to have a sweet voice such as the grasshopper. उसको एक sweet voice चाहिए थी जैसे grasshopper की थी. The ass asked the grasshopper, "How do you sing so well?" Whom did the ass ask? The grasshopper. He went to the grasshopper and he asked him, "How can you sing so well? Oh my God, you sing so well. But how? I cannot." And what did the ass say? "I cannot sing." What is it that has given you such a sweet voice? And this is the ass asking the grasshopper, how did you get this sweet voice? कहाँ से तुम्हारी इतनी अच्छी आवाज़ है? Do you eat some special food? क्या तुम कुछ खास खाते हो? Special means something which is not common, something which not everyone eats. Okay, food or drink, is there anything you drink, something special you eat or drink that you can sing so well? Now let's see what the grasshopper had to say. The grasshopper wanted to play a joke. Now this grasshopper was quite naughty. Okay, not good, so he wanted to play a joke. What do you mean by joke? Trick someone for fun. उससे ऐसी मजाक लेना चाहता था वो. So what did the grasshopper say? "Yes," replied the grasshopper, "I drink dew." What did the grasshopper say? "Yes, I drink dew." He was not serious. वो serious नहीं था. He was just joking. Okay, he was just having fun with the ass. But the ass took this very seriously. "That is what I need," thought the ass, and this ass started thinking, I need this only. Now I'm not going to eat and drink anything else. I'm only going to drink the dew. What is dew? Water drops which form on the grass at night. आपने dew देखा? Have you seen dew? जिसे हम ओस कहते हैं. Yes, this is that dew, not that mountain dew. Okay, now let's see what happened further. So he started to eat and drink nothing. Now the ass stopped eating and drinking. Okay, he was not eating any grass, he was not drinking any water except the dew, and every night he would just drink the dew. ठीक है, वो हर रात को बस वो ड्यू को, वो ओस को बस पी लेता था जो घास के ऊपर आती थी. बट हिज वॉइस डिड नॉट चेंज. ओके, and there was no change in his voice was as same as before. He became thin. Okay, the ass became very weak, very thin, very slim. Okay, his bones must have started showing. Soon he died of hunger and thirst, and soon, because he was not eating any grass, not eating any leaves, nothing good, nor drinking any water, so he soon died of hunger. What do you mean by hunger? Wanting to eat food, bhook lagna. Okay, and thirst, what do you mean by thirst? Wanting to drink water, pyas lagna. Okay, so this ass stopped doing anything. Now children, I want to tell you one thing very clearly. Sometimes in our lives also we do the same thing. We compare ourselves with others. Okay, we compare ourselves with our friends, with our family members, with our brother and sisters, with our relatives, with our classmates. Maybe your friend is good at singing, and maybe you yourself are good at dancing. Okay, don't compare yourself. Okay children, God has given you the talent to dance, and maybe he has given your friend a talent to sing. Maybe you are good at English, and maybe you are not good at maths, but your friend is very good at maths and not very good at English. So you have to recognize who you are. You don't need to become someone else. We can learn many things from others. हम बहुत सी चीज़ें सीख सकते हैं दूसरे से, पर हमें दूसरों जैसे कि कॉपी करने की, अपने आप को कंपेयर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके, फाइंड आउट व्हाट यू आर गुड एट. ढूंढिए कि आपके खुद के अंदर क्या अच्छी बात है. फाइंड आउट व्हाट आर यू गुड एट. ड्राइंग, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मैथ्स, और मे बी डांसिंग, और मे बी इन स्पोर्ट्स, और मे बी in singing, or participating in other co-curricular activities like elocution or debates. Okay, you have to, or giving speeches. We all have different talents. This ass made a very bad mistake. Okay, he wanted to sing like the grasshopper, and so he became sad. In the same way, we also do the same thing. We want to become like others, and we forget who we are. हम दूसरों जैसे बनना चाहते हैं, और हम भूल जाते हैं कि हम खुद कौन हैं, हमारे अंदर क्या चाहिए हैं. But we are not supposed to do it like that. We have to recognize, we have to find out what are we good at, and keep doing that. And we can learn many things from others, but we should never compare ourselves from others, because if we compare, अगर हम तुलना करेंगे, we will be sad, we will become sad. Okay, so children, I hope you have understood the lesson and enjoyed the lesson, and whatever assignment I will give you, do it in your fair copies. Okay, and copy these word meanings which are on page number 9